Hi everyone, welcome back to Electric Vehicle YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the top features of this electric vehicle. This electric vehicle is from the brand Bajaj and this model is Chetak. Chetak is an premium electric vehicle. The design is completely taken from Chetak. This come with DRL, which is nothing but day red light, day running light. This very good lighting system. And coming to the top features, this electric vehicle cost is 1,30,000 kilometers and it is having an BLDC motor. This BLDC motor rating is around 4.2 kilowatt hour. So this is nothing but the BLDC motor. So this is a BLDC hub motor. The rating is 4.2 watt hour and this electric vehicle come with 2.8 kilowatt hour battery capacity. The main part of this electric vehicle is, so we can make this electric vehicle 80 to 90% charging only in 4 hours. That's what the main feature of this electric vehicle. And next best feature of this electric vehicle is this comes with 3 years warranty or 50,000 kilometers. Okay, so 3 years warranty is there or 50,000. So completely happily you can use this electric vehicle up to 3 years without any issue. If any issue is there, it will be directly replaced by the company. Or 50,000 kilometers, you don't need to invest not even 1 rupee. So this is all about it. And coming to the physical glory, you can see the wheel design. Okay, so at the front part you can see this DRL and the look. So pure white, very good design, and you have chrome finish and all these are LED, and this is an good design which has been given. And you see here this is an DRL, day running light, and inside you have an the Chetak brand from the Bajaj. And you see this alloy wheels, this comes with a good design, decent look of alloy wheels. And coming to here, this come with a combined braking system. If you apply the brake at the front or at the back, automatically two brakes will be applied. You can see here, I will press one. If you press one also, automatically both brakes will be applied, which is called combined braking system. And this come with telescopic suspension, which I had already driven this vehicle, which is there in our video also. It is giving good suspension. Initially it is having large torque, and at low speeds also it is offering high torque. And you see the design, so you can have a footrest which is not provided by the Ola. So you have a good footrest, quality footrest, and you have side stand. You see the side stand also very good design. Okay, so this is how we have a good side stand at this side, and you have another side stand at this design. You can see the overall look of the bike. It's very good, decent design. Okay, and you can see these mirrors also. These mirrors are coming with flexible. You can rotate the mirrors as per our requirement. You can keep it horizontal or you can rotate. You see the overall look wise, the best vehicle till date I have been reviewed in all the look wise. This is the very good electric vehicle. And you see this design on this mirror also, the Chetak brand labeling is there. Okay, so this mirror you can rotate in both the directions. So the Chetak brand labeling is completely comes with alloy material. So that's why the build quality is very good. And you can see from front part, so you can see this front part. So the electric vehicle design is very good. So when you sit comfortably, so you can see the, so for ladies, especially for ladies, so you can have a complete, you can keep your two legs to the, and you can have an touch with the floor, and you can easily grip. Why? Because it has an very low weight, which is very comfortable for ladies, and the design is also very good. So this vehicle still now, which has come completely, the next advantage of this electric vehicle is the front and back. Okay, so this is metal and this is also metal, this is only plastic. So that's why this electric vehicle is the top sold electric vehicle in all feature wise. And you see here, suspension wise is very good, braking wise very good, and stand you can see here. So center stand is directly provided by the manufacturer, side stand is also provided by the manufacturer, and the footrest is also provided by the manufacturer. So now these are the basic requirements of electric vehicle, but Ola is not providing all these auxiliaries. And you can see here, so the type of grip provided, here also you have an the Chetak branding. So where you can have, when you touch it, where you can have more comfortable or cushion, where this is a very good feature. And touch, so in this model you don't have the touch, you have only normal physical switches. The physical switches are very good. So here you can have a play button. So in the premium model you can have a play button, you can play the songs also. So you can see the UI in color UI. So these sort of UIs are very important. Why? Because in the morning, in the at afternoon 1 o'clock also, you can have a good clearance. Completely the display is visible. Okay, it has speedometer and the range. And now you can see here for the available 82% of state of charge, you can drive up to 82 kilometers. That's why this is the one of the best feature of this electric vehicle. And the state of charge is showing that orange, yellow, and then green, only 82% charging is available. And coming to the design, it's very good. And key also, there is no need of any key, only with frequency operated key. So this is one of the next beautiful part. This comes with keyless operation. This is called frequency operated key. You see the design also, it's very good. So you have to keep this key within your pocket within 5 meters radius, then comfortably you can drive your electric vehicle. So this come with a small button. This is how to turn on and off. If you press it once, automatically the front boot will open, and you can have an USB charging. So this is the USB charging. You can keep your phone here and you can charge it. But the main drawback what we understood is there's no charging, charging socket is provided, but the holder where to keep the phone is not so clear. There's a one drawback the what customer has been identified, and you can directly close it. And you can see the boot space. It comes with boot space of around 21 liters. Okay, the boot space provided by this manufacturer is very good. Boot space it is provided, it is approximately 21 liters of boot space is provided. How to open the boot is, so you just press and hold it continuously, automatically this will open. Okay, and it will give an buzzer sound, so you can have a good decent boot space. And you can have an charging port. You see this charging port, it comes with a good charging port. Due to this charging port only it is more famous. And one more thing what you can say is this comes with their own socket, which is the one more main drawback. If it is provided with AC001 charging socket, which is a preferable or recommendable, where we can have an fast charging. So we cannot charge this electric vehicle in an public charging station. Why? Because this port is not provided by those charging station. We require an AC001 charging station that is provided only by Ola vehicles as well as other vehicle. This is only the two drawbacks. One is the charging port is normal charging port, and here to keep the mobile charging, there is no dock is provided. That's why we cannot charge the vehicle. And if it is provided with AC001 charging, it might be better. The customers might has been felt. So Ola, Chetak has to look forward to rechange this charging port and keep it at outside of the vehicle, and it has to provide AC Bharat AC001 type of charging, where these people can charge directly in public charging station. That's what the drawbacks identified. Hope Chetak will look around all these drawbacks, will modify in the upcoming generations. So feel if the video is useful to you. So we are doing all these videos with a lot of efforts. Continuously we come in this ground at afternoon 1 o'clock, and we want to record all these sort of videos, and we want to come into an isolated area, and you have to take the permission from the ground, and you have to take the vehicle from the customers, and we are continuously reviewing a lot of vehicle. If you feel the video is very useful, please like, share and subscribe, and forward to all engineering electrical students, where this content is very useful to make them to get job in electric vehicle industry. Hope the video is useful. Thank you for watching.